Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you save a publication for the first time, you must use the Save As command so that you can choose where to save the file and what to name it. To do this, click the File tab within the ribbon. Then click the Save As command in the command panel shown at the left side of the Backstage view. To the right of the command panel, you will see the places that are available for you to save the file. These file save locations include your OneDrive folder for Microsoft user accounts and your local computer or network called This PC. When you save to your OneDrive folder, the publications will be saved to the cloud and you can access them from any computer when signed in with your Microsoft user account. If you select the This PC choice, the file will be saved locally on the computer at which you are working. If you are signed in with a Microsoft user account, you can click the OneDrive choice to save to your OneDrive online storage account. After selecting this choice, you will see any recently selected OneDrive folders shown to the right. You can click on a recently accessed folder to select it as the saved location. At that point, a Save As dialog box will appear. If you have no folders listed in the Recent Folders section, or the folder into which you want to save the file is not shown in this list, then click the Browse button to open a Save As dialog box where you can select the desired folder within OneDrive to use. Alternatively, you can choose to save the file to your computer versus OneDrive. You may choose to do this if you are not signed into a Microsoft user account, or if you know that you will not need to access the file on any other computers. If this is the case, then you can select the This PC choice from the File Save Location choices. Just as when saving to OneDrive, you can then select a recently used folder on your computer from the listed folders on the right side of the screen, or click the Browse button to open the Save As dialog box. After selecting a location into which to save the file, the Save As dialog box appears. Enter a file name into the File Name field. File name should be short and descriptive. Publisher will not let you use the following symbols in a file name: the colon, the /, the backslash, the greater than sign, the less than sign, the asterisk, double quotes, or the pipe symbol. Give it a file name that you will remember, and be sure to remember into which folder you saved it. The latter step is often more crucial. People will often remember what they named a file, but can't remember into which folder they saved it. Once you have entered the file name and noted the save location, then click the Save button within the Save As dialog box to finish saving the file. Once you've named the file and saved it, its name will appear in the title bar. After that, when you make changes in the future that you want to save, you can just click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar, or click the File tab in the ribbon and then click the Save command. You will not have to re-enter the file name or select a location. Publisher will save the changes automatically to the existing file.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.